Hello, welcome to System Test 3. Today I'll be testing the new 32800 call point, my two 32775s. I replaced 34770 with that one there, and that one because it sounds a bit better. That's also a new device. The call point in the back was also changed because I had a fault with it. It's just sitting there now, the old one. So I'll start off with this call point. Right, the next device that I'll test will be the 32775. Okay, then this is a 32,000 device, not a 34,000, but there's virtually no difference. This one here takes ages to go off, or did when I was testing it earlier. Right, now I'll do this detector. It's also new. Doesn't have any scratches on it like the 34770 did. Right, then I go on to the 32800 in the back. Okay, this is a new device. I have put, it's a different call point. The back bit's a different, because I had a fault with the other one. It wasn't allocating correctly when I was reallocating the loop once I had the new device on. So yeah. So 3, 2, 1. That sounds quite nice with them too. They sound quite nice together. So what we'll do is go into wrong function. I'll just sign both 34770s off. What address is it? I think it's address number 5. Action. Nope. Loop 1 action. Oh, hang on, it's the wrong thing altogether. Hang on. I want to do it on camera. No, I had no idea what address it is. It's 2 space 5. I think it's address 5. Okay, then go on, do it quickly and evacuate. 2, number 2 and 5, loop 1, action, evacuate, engine. Sounds pretty nice. Right then. That is it. So thank you very much for watching, and that's it.